So our next stance is horse stance. And you've seen our other videos, our horse stance challenge. Horse stance is pretty cool because it's not kind of a blend between front stance and back stance. It's in the middle. It's not offensive, it's not defensive, it's just a nice strong stance, and it helps both legs at the same time. When we talk about horse stance, we want our feet to be probably a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Our knees should be bent, our toes should be pointing the same direction. It's really easy for these toes to point outwards. They do it a lot. It does it for me, so that's something that we always have to try to work on. So we want here. And as you saw from our challenge, this is a great challenge. I mean, you can keep going. You can stay here as long as you can. For forms, we've done the basic 3. That's where we first see back stance, we first see horse stance, and we continue with front stance. But a lot of times we do horse stance with punches. So either front punches in basic 3, to the side, low rib punch. And so it's a pretty fun, and it should feel powerful, pretty powerful when you do this also. Thank you.
Okay, so Mr. Mike talked about horse stance and some of the drills you can do. Like I said, it doesn't require a lot of space. You can do horse stance punch. If you step to the right, you can punch, right arm, right leg. Again, you want your feet parallel, right? Feet parallel. Go as low as you can. Same thing here. Left. You can just keep on doing this until your legs fail. But yeah, so that's a good, again, you'll see this in basic 3. So we kind of punch the ribs. 3 punches. So again, you can also do that basic 3 as a drill in horse stance.